Okay. First installment of the Apollo Lunar series of tutorials is TLI. So we've walked up through all of the tests and all the setup and the switch positions. And so all of this should be familiar with you using the EMS, all of that jazz. Now it's just sort of the rough uh, sequencing of a TLI. But if you haven't watched the regular tutorial series, then I highly recommend you do so before continuing the this video here. So we will be approaching our time base 6 initialization. So we'll go ahead and time skip forward. We'll time skip gently because we don't want the apps to give out by having it go too fast. And it definitely can. If you're not careful with the time skipping, the apps will give out on you. Okay, so now we stand by to start the clock. When the engine light or the S2 SEP light comes on, yep, stand by. Have your mouse over the event time start. And as soon as that light turns off, hit the switch. And you'll be on time base 6. Time base 6, S2 SEP light off, counting up. Make sure we're SCS, and all telemetry uplinks will be blocked at this time. And yes, I do agree Apollo 12 is better than Apollo 11. I think my favorite, though, has got to be Apollo 17. And yep, at this time, set your altitude dial on the ordeal to 300. Switch lunar. Orbit rate, inertial, and now hold fast. When the event timer shows 57 minutes, we are going to slew to 15 degrees of pitch. So bring it forward very carefully. This ordeal is used to time the ignition of the S4B engine. So here, slew to 15 degrees. And now we start verb 37, enter 47. This is the thrust monitoring program. So program 47 is coming in now, and we will see our pip accounts. There we go. Now bring it along to the event timer says 58 minutes. noun 62, enter. And for logic reasons, TVC 1 needs to be on. Bitrate high. Uplink telemetry command reset then norm at 5834. EMS mode normal. S2 SEP light on. And ullage will begin at 5838. Here we have ullage. At 59 minutes, we just slew the pitch angle to 7 degrees. At 59:42, S2 SEP light will be off. S2 SEP light off. Fuel lead. Standing by for ignition. Let's get the seats. Always forget that. 55, ullage complete. Ordeal mode slow. And there's ignition. You'll be monitoring the EMS here and your data outputs here. So, of course, I'll be with you when the burn is complete. And there is the cutoff. Key release. S4B initiates its attitude hold now until 20 seconds. And then we begin the heads down maneuver. And there she goes. And you can stow your ordeal now. Terminate program 47. And that does it for the TLI. Thanks for watching.